Alright, g'day guys, Matt Preston, Built Cruisers. Now it's very exciting, we've got a PRADO here. Now this is actually one of the first diesels, so it's just the one before the E4D. And essentially this is my mate's and he's got stock wheels and tyres. And it's very exciting because today we're doing new tyres on it, rims and tyres. And it's a Facebook bargain, 450 bucks for 5. And pretty much they are slightly bigger than ones on here, so let's get them on the car. Boom, run the intro. Alright guys, so the tyres we've got here, these are Coopers and these are the Discovery ST Max. Now these are the aggressive all-terrain they do. Actually, you guys may remember I had Coopers on the PRADO back in the day. Very good tyres. So these are, you know, quite a nice brand actually. And yeah, they got decent tread and they're off a 150 PRADO. So that should have a very similar offset and everything to a 120, if not the exact same. So these should go in here, no worries at all. And yeah, on here, 265, 65, 17s. And I think these are the same, but these have more tread and they're a bit more aggressive. So let's first get a measurement and see how much higher we're gonna go. All right, so we get two measures. This is the front driver size. Concrete on the ground to the center hub is 365. And then there to the top of the arch is, we're 930. So yeah, we'll compare those measures to afterwards when we've got the new tires on. Okay guys, got the new tyres on, pretty quick, pretty straightforward. Now let's get those measures again and see if we've got any increase, because remember these are a 265 70 17, whereas the other ones were 265 I think 65 17, so this should be a little bit bigger. So if we go ground to center hub, we've got 385, and then if we go ground to top of the arch, we've got 972. So the difference of that,
ground to arch was 930 mil. Now it's 972. It's gone up 42 mil.
What? I remember because I had it in the center, which is here. Wow, that's so big. All right guys, if you just missed that, yeah, we've gone up about 20 to 30 mil, which is just slightly crazy. And the car's even moved, so we'll do the rear as well, and we'll see the stance on her. But this car, I haven't mentioned it, but it does have new upper control arms and quite serious looking suspension in the front here. So we're a bit unsure. This might be a 3-inch lift 120 as it is, because it looks quite high, which is very exciting. But now let's get onto the rears and get our measurements. All right, so as you guys know, at the front there, we had about a 30 mil increase in lift, which I thought was crazy, but I've just quickly put this tire against this one on the back, and I've got my tape measure here, and the difference in the tire size itself is about 65 mil, which is, you know, actually surprised me a bit, to be honest. Actually quite a lot bigger. So obviously you're half that, so about 32 mil-ish is the sort of lift we're getting just from going up another tire size. So, you know, it might be a bit slow on the roads and whatever, but it's got that lift off-road, which is nice, and the better stance. So yeah, to think that these aren't, we're not even like to the 33 tire size yet, and it's already getting quite big. Okay guys, we're on the rear here. Now granted this tire is slightly flat, but let's get a measure. So the ground to the center of the hubcap here, we've got 350. And then from the ground to the arch here, we've got, well, we'll say that's 930. So 930 mil, yep. So that's the current measures. Let's swap these out. All right guys, rear tires on, let's have a quick look here. So the ground to the center hub is 390, and then the ground to the arch is about, we're 957. So there you go. Okay, here's the before shot, looking almost stock. Okay guys, well that's a quick little lift video slash tyre video for this Prado here. Now, as we know, it's roughly gone about up to 32 mil, which is quite a lot, surprised me. But man, it looks so much better. And if you guys want to see more videos on the 120 here, let me know, because obviously I'm assuming quite a few of you guys probably have this car, and being a Prado based channel, having with the 90 series, and you know, this is the next model. Guys, let me know down below if you want to see any more mods on this, because there will be a bull bar video coming for this in the future, and there could be whatever you want there to be. So if you're interested, if you want to see more 120 Prado content, let me know down below, very important. And if you guys could please subscribe. Let's hit 9,000 subs, and we'll catch you guys next time on Built Cruisers. Okay guys, got the 60 here. Now, the build videos are still coming along for this. We do have the rear bar to go on and lots of other things happening, but I did actually mess with a little vacuum seal valve in this, and the car's been sort of stuck in full drive since we bought it, so been trying to fix that as well off camera. So just little things going on in the background, but yeah, let me know if you like the 120 Prado videos. I actually really enjoyed working on it, and there are a lot of mods for those cars, so I think it'd be really cool to sort of do that as well on the channel. And the Prado 90 series, next week Friday there will be a video of pretty much a big camp rig rundown on that car, because I know you guys have been asking for that, and I'll be able to finally show you the almost finished form of that car, which is very exciting. But yeah, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. We've got lots of cars going on at once here, and yeah, let's try and hit 10,000 subs before end of the year. So cheers guys.